Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a look at the Nike SB Charge in beige. Before we get into the review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Drop some thumbs up, we want to see those likes, and show some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment. Let's get into the review. So today we've got a look at the Nike SB Charge, and we've got this in a US 8.5, a UK 7.5, and a European 42. Now unfortunately we bought this from ASOS, but it was a good thing because it was a steal, got it for £35. So if you're able to go on ASOS and it's still available, I suggest you get it. Reasons why we'll get into with this review, but unfortunately because this is from ASOS, they like to put their stickers on top of the Nike sticker, so I can't give you the real colorway, but they say that this is beige, and it is beige. Let's get into this. Bam. Really nice. I really like the color as well, like the beige and this kind of mint green, it complements it really well. So we'll start with the outsole. So this is an all rubber outsole, great traction points obviously because these sneakers are made for skating, so it's there to grip on your grip tape. Got a Nike swoosh at the heel, going along into the midsole, and it's an all rubber midsole. Not much technology in this, but there is in the insole, which we will get into soon. Moving along onto the upper, it's an all beige canvas upper. You've got two Nike swooshes on each foot, so they're both on the medial and the lateral sides. Same tone on the laces with a simple lace system, as you can see there. Padded support for your ankles. Obviously, this being a skate shoe, you want to protect your ankles. Not much going on at the back. It's just like overlays of canvas material in the same colorway. At the tongue, it's nicely padded as well. Feels like a basketball sneaker with the padding. And you've got the Nike SB Charge logo that's knitted there. But it's the insole where it's going to provide you all the comfort. And right here, it is Nike's SolarSoft Insole. That is really nice, really thick here as well. Obviously you're going to be doing your tricks, your big clearing of gaps and ollies and whatever, so obviously this is going to protect it. It's going to be that shock absorption. And yes, I'm going to round it off there because there's not much else to say about the sneaker. Pretty clean, very nice price point that we were able to get this in. Obviously we got this in sale. Reminds me of your low profile Van sneakers that you can get, and obviously it has the same materials, that being canvas. But if you're sick and tired of seeing SB dunks all the time, why not get a pair of these nice low profile Charge SBs? Can't go wrong. Very simple look as well. I mean, if you're going to be walking, you got that Lunar, forgive me, it's not Lunar, it's the SolarSoft insole. Great for padding. I know it's going to be comfy. We'll show you what it looks like on, so roll that footage. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. Mine's a UK size 7.5 and these fit like a glove. One thing that does bother me is that it was a bit difficult getting the right foot in, and this feels a bit tighter than the left. Or maybe that's just because the way I lace my sneakers, or maybe my right foot is bigger than my left. Whatever it may be, I'll try and sort that out myself. But I want to get into the comfort of these sneakers. Honestly, this solar insole is a blessing. I feel so cushiony, I feel so comfy. I have so many words. Like, it feels like I'm walking on clouds. Honestly, this was a huge, what's the word I'm looking for? It's a revelation to me. I didn't expect these to be as comfy as they are, but they are. It feels like a pair of Vans classic eras. I feel that nice padded support around my ankles, and it's very comfy as well. I know I'm saying comfy. I need a thesaurus. I don't know other words for comfy. Anyways, I'm rambling on. I'll show you what it looks like on a little 360. Before I round off the video here, guys, just want to mention maybe I should double tie these laces. The laces are a bit too long, and maybe they should go through these eyelets. But I don't know. Personally, I don't like putting laces all the way onto the very top of the eyelets. But that's just me. Thanks, guys, for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on the Instagram account. Until next time, peace.